Namaste students. I hope you and your family are safe. My name is Shweta. I am your maths teacher. Let us start today's class. See, in your previous class we already started chapter 2, that is long and short. Let us continue that chapter only. Have you heard about a 1500 meter or 3000 meter race? You know that running race, that is people are running 1500 meters or 3000 meter race. You did that. See, 1500 meter and 3000 meter running race. So you remember that, you know that 1000 meter is equal to 1000 meter makes 1 kilometer, because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, and 500 meter makes half a kilometer. So 1000 meter means it is 1 kilometer. In that half meter means that is 500 meters. So that is half kilometer, right? So you can say that in a 1500 meter race, people run dash kilometer. In a 3000 meter race, people run dash kilometer. You have to find the kilometers of that. They are given in the meter. You have to find the kilometers. We know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So half meter is equal to 500 meter. 1500 meter can be written as 1000 meter plus 500 meter. So 1000 meter means it is 1 kilometer plus 500 meter means it is half kilometer. That is 1.5 kilometer. 1500 meter means it is 1.5 kilometer. 3000 meter. 3000 can be written as 3 multiply with 1000. So 3 into 1 kilometer, because 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So that is 3 kilometers. 3000 meter means 3 kilometers. Have you heard about marathon race, in which people have to run about 40 kilometers? People run marathons on roads because the track of stadium is only 400 meter. See here, marathon race. It is one type of the race. See, people have to run about in this marathon race. How much kilometer people have to run? People have to run 40 kilometers. So people run marathons on roads because the tracks of stadium is only 400 meters. What people is doing, people they are not run on stadium, because stadium is only 400 meters, but people want to run for this marathon race 40 kilometers. See, you have to find 10 rounds of a stadium track equals dash kilometer. And so if you run a marathon on a stadium track, you will have to complete dash rounds. This too you have to find. Now 1000 meter equals 1 kilometer. Now one round of stadium track equal length of stadium track. See here, stadium is only a 400 meters, right? See, 400 meters means if a people ran in that stadium only, means the length of the stadium will track will be only 400 meters. So it complete one round. 10 rounds of a stadium track, like the 10 rounds means how much they have to round, they have to, how much kilometer they have to run. Let us see. So 10 rounds means, see, you know that one round is equal to 400 meters. Like the 10 rounds means 10 multiply with 400. So that is 4000 meter. 4000 meter means 1000 meter equals 1 kilometer. 4000 meter equals 4 kilometers. So they have to run 4 kilometers. In that stadium, for the 10 rounds of the stadium track, they have to run 4 kilometers. Like that only. Another sum, total length of the marathon race is 40 kilometers. Totally the marathon race is 40 kilometers. So kilometer you have to convert into meter, means it will be 40 multiply with 1000 meters, because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So 40,000 meters, and this distance covered in one round of the stadium track is 400 meters. Both are in meters, so you can divide. So 40 number of rounds you have to find, so you have to divide 40,000 meter divides 400 meters, that is 100. 400 100 times 40,000. So then, so if you run a marathon on stadium track, you will have to complete 100 rounds. They have to complete 100 rounds. Long jump. This is long jump for boys. See here, long jump they are doing. Boys are doing long jump. Danu has the longest jump of 3 meters 40 centimeter. Here Danu jumps longest long jump between these boys. In that Danu jumps 3 meter 40 centimeter. Gurjit is second. And his jump is 20 centimeter less. Second is Gurjit. So he jumped, that is less than Danu's jump, that is less than 20 centimeters. And Gopi comes third. His jump is only 5 centimeter less than Gurjit's jump. Gopi is the third. So what Gurjit jumps, no, that for that only 5 centimeter difference the Gopi jumps. So how long are Gurjit and Gopi jump, you have to find. And try and see how far you can jump. This you have to do. How far can you throw a ball? Dash meter. You can check by using ball. Look for a big ball like a football or volleyball. How far can you kick it? See, like that, if you long jump you can do and you can measure, and ball you can take, and how many meters you can throw that ball you can check. And look for a big ball like football or volleyball, any ball you can take and kick it, and how many centimeters, how many meters it will go, you can check that. Here let us see that how much Gurjit and Gopi's jump. Danu's jump is 3 meter 40 centimeter. Gurjit jump is 20 centimeter less than Danu's jump. This question only they are given. Danu's jump they are given 3 meter 40 centimeter. Gurjit jump is 20 centimeter less than Danu's jump. Now you have to find, see, you know that you have to find the Gurjit jumps. You know that Danu's jump is 3 meter 40 centimeter. You have to write that. See, in that you have to subtract 20 centimeter. What Gurjit is less compared to 20 centimeter less compared to Danu's jump. So for that 20 centimeter you have to subtract with Danu's jump. So that is 3 meter 20 centimeter. What Gurjit's jump is 3 meter 20 centimeter. Gopi's jump is 5 centimeter less than Gurjit jump. Now you know that Gurjit jumps. So Gurjit jumps is 3 meter 20 centimeter. You have to find the Gopi's jump. Gopi's jump, one clue they are given. Gopi's jump is 5 centimeter less than Gurjit's jump. So you have to subtract 5 centimeter for the Gurjit jump. Gurjit's jump is 3 meter 20 centimeter. So you have to subtract 5 centimeter in that. So it is 3 meter 15 centimeter Gopi's jump. Like that you have to find. I can jump distance of 3 meters. You can check. I can throw a ball distance of 5 to 6 meters. I can kick a big ball of a distance of 6 meters. See, here are the Indian records and world records for some jumps. High jump men, in this tabular column you can see that high jump men, and world record also they are given. Javir to 2 meter 45 centimeter. This is a long jump. Indian records also given. Indian record, the first is Chandrapal, that is 2 meter 17 centimeter. And long jump, if you see Mike P in the world record. In the Indian record, Amrit Pal. And women's you also you can check. High jump is Setfika K in world record. In Indian record, Bobby A. And long jump woman, you can see Galina C is the in world record, and Anju is the in Indian record, that is 6 meter 83 centimeter. So you have to find your questions they are given. By seeing the tabular column you have to solve that. Find out from the table how many centimeter more should Chandrapal jumps to equal the men's world record for high jump. See here they are given Chandrapal jumps is how much, 2 meters 17 centimeter. And in world record, who jumps world record is Javir's jump is 2 meter 45 centimeter. So here Chandrapal want to reach the Javir, how much centimeter difference they have to, they want to jump. So to equal that both, how much centimeter he have to jump, who, Chandrapal. So you have to find that. World record of high jump is 2 meter 45 centimeter. That is world record. 2 meter 45 centimeter And Chandrapal record of high jump is how much? Chandrapal jumps is 2 meter 17 centimeter. Therefore, more number of centimeter required by Chandrapal to equals men's high jump world record. So you have to subtract here. 2 meter 45 centimeter minus 2 meter 17 centimeter, both you have to minus. So how many centimeters is required to equal Chandrapal's and world record? So it is 28 centimeter. Chandrapal's needs 28 centimeter to be equal to world record, that is Javir's record. So you have to equal means you have to reach 28 centimeter. I hope you understood. Like that, only one more question. How many centimeter higher should Bobby A jump to reach 2 meter? Remember that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. If 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, half meter is how much? Obviously, it is 50 centimeter. Bobby A record for high jump is 1 meter 91 centimeter. In the tabular column, you can see that Bobby A records is 1 meter 91 centimeter in high jump. Required centimeter to reach 2 meter is how much? See here, how many centimeter higher should Bobby A jump to reach 2 meter? You have to both you have to subtract. See, always you remember the bigger number you have to take first. So here 2 meter is the bigger one, minus 1 meter 91 centimeter. It is 9 centimeter. 9 centimeter required for Bobbies to reach 2 meters. Understood? Only you have to subtract and you have to check here. And Galina long jump is nearly 7 meters, 7.5 meters, 8 meters. Galina's long jump record is 7 meters 52 centimeter. So it is nearly. You have to rounding of nearly how much? That is 7.5 meter, right? So 7.5 meter, because half meter means 50 centimeter. So it is just 2 centimeter is more for 7.5 centimeter. So it is option B. It is equal to 7.5 meters. Look at the women's world record. What is the difference between the longest jump and the highest jump? So women's world record for high jump is 2 meter 9 centimeter. Women's world record for long jump is 7 meter 52 centimeter. You have to check whether they are given the world record or Indians world record. Indians record. See, they are given in world record. Only you have to check the longest jump and the highest jump. So you have to subtract here. Always you have to take the biggest number first. So 7 meter 52 centimeter is the bigger one, minus 2 meter 9 centimeter. So that is 5 meter 43 centimeter is difference. Whose high jump is very close to 2.5 meter? This question you have to take it homework and you have to do. Running exercise. You can see here one exercise. The doctor has told Devi Prasad to run 2 kilometers every day to stay fit. He took one round of this field. How far did he run? See, what for Devi Prasad to stay fit, doctor told him to run every day for 2 kilometers. He have to run every day 2 kilometers to stay fit. For who have to run? That is Devi Prasad. Here he took one round of this field. See, this field they are given some measurement. So this measurement, how far he ran, you have to find. Let us see that Devi Prasad ran one round the field. See, one round this Devi Prasad he ran, but how much kilometer he have to run? He have to run 2 kilometers. But Devi Prasad he ran this field. Let us see how much. See, you have to add all this. 500 meter plus 500 meter plus 500 meter plus 500 meters. Why? See here, see, length also 500 meters, breadth also 500 meters. Here again, see, it is a rectangle. Rectangle opposite sides are equal. So 500 meter plus 500 meter plus, you have to find the perimeter here. What do you mean by perimeter? Means the distance around the figure. See, distance around means here around this rectangle figure, you can see that 500 meter you have to, it is there. So you have to add all this 500 meter plus 500 meter plus 500 meter plus 500 meter, that is 2000 meter. So 1000 meter equals 1 kilometer, 2000 meter equals 2 kilometer. So he ran 2 kilometer only every day, right? So they are given in meters. So all this you have to add and you have to convert into kilometer. See here it is a perimeter you have to find. So perimeter means the distance around the figure. What are the distance is there in this figure? All that distance you have to add. So that is only called as perimeter. Here 500 meters 4 times is there. So 4 times 500 meter you have to add. So then it is 2000 meter. 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. You know that. So 2000 meter is equal to 2 kilometer. He ran 2 kilometer. The field was very far from his home, so he chose a park nearby. The boundary of park was about 400 meters long. How many rounds of the park must Devi Prasad run to complete 2 kilometers? See, the field was very far from his home. Whose home? Devi Prasad home. The field was very far. So what he chose? He chose park nearby his home. So the boundary of the park was only 400 meters long. So how many rounds of the park must Devi Prasad ran? You have to find to complete 2 kilometers. Because doctor told to stay fit, he have to run 2 kilometers. So 2 kilometer is equal to 2 into 1000 meters. That is 2000 meters. First kilometer you have to convert into meter. That is 2000 meter. So to complete 2000 meter, Devi Prasad must complete. You know that 2000 meter, the field is only 400 meter, the park is only 400 meters, right? So 2000 meter divides 400 meter. That is, if you divide 400 with 2000, you will get the 5 is the quotient. For example, see, 400 5s are, that is 2000. So 5 rounds you have to complete to Devi Prasad has to run 5 rounds of the park. See, 405 are 2000. I hope you understood. See, again I will tell. Devi Prasad want to complete 2 kilometers, but see, he choose the 400 meter long park to complete the 2 kilometer complete the 2 kilometers. So what he have to do? He have to complete 2 kilometers. For that what he did? So 2 kilometer is equal to 2 into 1000 kilometer. You have to convert into meters. That is 2000 meter. To complete 2000 meter, Devi Prasad must complete how many kilometers? Because the field is only a 400 meters, but he have to complete 2000 meters. For that what you have to do? You have to divide 2000 meters divides 400 meters. So if you divide, you get 5. So how many rounds you have to choose? 5 rounds. One day the weather was very good and cool breeze was blowing. He felt so good that he kept jogging till he got tired. After 8 rounds, the day he ran dash kilometers and dash meters. See, Devi Prasad want to run only 2000 meters, that is for 2 kilometers. But Devi Prasad, for that 2 kilometers in that park, how many rounds he have to do? He have to complete only 5 rounds. But on that day, the weather was also very nice, that is very good, cool breeze, and the wind was very nice blowing. So he felt very so good. For that he keep on jogging. So up to until he get tired. And after 8 rounds, see, until 8 rounds he continues jogging. So Devi Prasad, what you have to find? He ran how many kilometers he ran and how many meters he ran, you have to find. See, Devi Prasad covers distance of 8 rounds, that is 400 meter, because the field is 400 meters, multiply with 8. So that is 3200 meter. He ran 3200 meter. That is 3200 meter can be written as 3000 meter plus 200 meter. If you had 3000 plus 200, you get 3200 meter only. So 3000 meter equals 3 kilometer. So 3 kilometer 200 meter. That day he ran 3 kilometer and 200 meter. How much kilometer he ran? 3 kilometer and 200 meter. Like that you have to find. How many rooms high? The Qutub Minar is 72-meter high. About how many meters high is your classroom? Guess how many rooms one on the top of the other will be equal to the Qutub Minar. Explain how you made a guess. See, this is homework for you. The Qutub Minar is a 72-meter height. Height of that Qutub Minar is 72 meters. About how many meters high is your classroom? You have to guess here. This is your own choice. You have to guess and guess how many rooms one on the top of the other will be equal to the Qutub Minar. See, first what you have to do, you have to guess the height of your classroom. Then the Qutub Minar height is 72 meter. For example, if you guess 30 meters, so 30 meters if you guess, so how many like that, if you want to equal to 72 meters, how much you have to add? So that one you have to do it. Guess how many rooms one on the top. So for example, your classroom is 30 meters. So like that, for to make it 72 meters, how many you have to add? So how many 30s you have to add? You have to find that and explain how you made a guess. So that also you do it your own. From Kazikoda to Talasari, Shubodh is going to Kozhikoda, which is 24 km away. Manjani is going to Talasere, which is 46 km away in the opposite direction. How far is Kazigoda from Tasilari? See, here Shubodh is going to Kazigoda. The Kazigoda and Talisari is one of the places. See, Kazigoda, which is 24 km away. Manjani is going for Talisari. Here Talisari is 46 km away. See, both are in opposite direction. See, you can see in this board, Talisara is Kazigoda is this side, Talisari is this side. Left side is Kazigoda and right side is Talisari. See, both are in opposite direction and they are given the kilometers also. Kazigoda is 24 km and Talisari is 46 km. Where you can see like this board, yes, near bus stops you can see, right? If you are going to any of the um, for example, if you are traveling, there also you can see like this board, right? See, how far is Kazigoda from Taliseri? You have to find. The distance of Kazigoda from Taliseri is distance of Kazigoda plus distance of Taliseri. Both you have to add. So total distance first you have to find. 24 kilometer plus 46 kilometer, that is 70 kilometers. So both the distance is 70 kilometers. How far is your home from school? Mamoon comes to school from very far. He first walks about 40 meters, 400 meters to the pond with slippers in his hand. He then walks 150 meters through the pond. Next, he runs across the 350 meters wide green field. Then he carefully crosses the 40-meter wide road to reach his school. See, children in villages, they don't have at least that much of facility to come to school also. That so much of they have to see here how he is crossing the road, like that only struggling they have to make from they now the floods are coming, no, so they can't travel in the roads also, like that only the some type of villages is there, the remote areas and all. You have this much of facility, so you have to utilize that. You have to give respect to your parents and you have to give respect to elders and you have to what they are telling, you have to do that. uh, See, one example I have given here, how he is coming to school. See, he is coming from so far. He first walks about 400 meters. First 400 meters he walks to the pond with slippery. Ponds means there are so much of water, so water means it is slipperies. So he have to keep the slippers in his hand, and he then walks 150 meters. See, again you have to walk from the that pond to pond. What you have to do, you have to walk 150 meters through that pond only. Next, he runs across the 350 meters. Then what you have to do, you have to run across the 350 meters wide green field. See, they are green field. Then he carefully crosses the 40-meter wide road. There is a wide road to reach the school. Total distance of school, you have to find the total distance. Means Mamun home, distance of the pond from his home plus width of the pond plus width of green field plus width of road. This much he have to cross. So you have 400 meters, because he first walks about 400 meters, right? And again what you have to do, width of the pond is how much? That is 150 meters. Again what? Next he runs across the 350 meters, that is width of green field. In the green field you want to walk, so 350 meters. Again the 40 meters wide road you have to cross. All you have to add. Then that is total distance is for 940 meters. Understood? So that much of struggle you have to make, and you have to come to school. Really it is true in some of remote areas, that is in some villages like this only, the students are struggling to come to school. Let us remember, think that how much does Mamu walk every day to reach school? Is it more than 1 kilometer? It is more than 1 kilometer. See, 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters? 1000 meters. It is more than 1 kilometer? No. It is 940 meters is less than 1000 meter. So it is not more than 1 kilometer. Rather, it is less than 1 kilometer. Find out how far your friend live from school and fill the table. Write in meters or kilometers. You can do it your own this question. Guess and find out how long is the thread in a reel. The length of the thread depends upon the thickness of reel. It may be 50 meters, 100 meter, 200 meter or 500 meters or more. It is the length of the thread depends upon its thickness. How long is the string of a kite reel? Can it be more than 5 kilometer long? A kite reel may be 500 meters, 1000 meter, 2000 meter long. It can be more than kilometer long. If a handkerchief is made out of a single thread, how long would the thread be? It If a handkerchief is made out a single thread, then its length of the thread may be 5000 meters. I wish I were. See, here one poem they are given. You can read out that poem, and some answers they are given. You can answer that. I have given your answer. It is my own answer. You can give your own answers. You think that you read that poem and you answer that. Thank you.